So, looks like I trapped me a duck. One's on the outside. I trapped me a duck. See the one just running back and forth. The other one is trying to rescue her. Isn't that something? I'm gonna, oh, she's close. Let me get her out. Come here. Come here. Oh God. She almost went in the house. Come on. Let me see if I can get her out. Poor thing is panicking. Come on. Come on. Out the thing. Go out. Come on. Not a happy duck. Come on. Go around. Go around. Come on. Go around. Come on. Come here. No one's gonna hurt you. And I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get her. I don't know if I should handle her. Her mother may not accept her. Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Let's see if you're smart enough to get out. Come on. Not that smart. That's why it's a duck. Come on, duck. Come on. Come on. I got a mat here. See, it's a mat. I'm gonna see if I can. Come on. And I'm checking out. And there they go. Isn't that a riot? Oh my God.